Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to check my main balance and it shows connection problem or invalid MMA code. So how to fix this issue? And here I get this error message in my BSNL SIM card. At same time this solution also works for Jio, Airtel and Vodafone Idea. So before going to the tutorial, first of all, why this issue happening? So my point of view, this is occurs for two possible reasons, and the one is if you enter the wrong USSD code, it shows this kind of message, and the another possible reason is due to your network problem. So for example, here I try to check my main balance and the correct USSD code is *123#. So friends, now it shows my remaining main balance, so no problem. So next I try to enter the wrong USSD code. But friends, now this time you can see it shows that same message invalid MMA code. So before going to enter your USSD code, first of all confirm that code if it is correct or not. And this is one of the way to fix this issue. So at same time, if it shows same message even if you enter the correct USSD code, just follow these few steps. So just open your settings menu and go to connection settings. So here I try to access SIM card manager and it shows my dual SIM cards name, but one time disable and enable your error occurred SIM card. So once you've done these processes, just go back to the one step. So next you can click to access mobile networks and then check it if you enable this alt option or not. So once you check it and go to network mode, and here I get this issue in my BSNL SIM card. So I try to open the second one. So always you can select auto connect feature, because if your area not have a proper 4G signal, it will automatically switch to the 3G or 2G network. So once you select this option and click to open network operators, so here always you can enable this automatic mode for your dual SIM cards. So anyway, once you done this I mentioned steps and one time restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, finally one more time you can try to check your main balance or data balance. So I hope these two methods will fix your error message. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.